I don't know if you've ever seen this come up. If you touch and hold, it's a circle. It's a bubble, some people call it. They don't know what it is or why it got there. It's actually got a really good use. So suppose we've got this little piece of text here. The word iPhone, really, to be correct, the P should be capitalised. What I would see a lot of people doing is backspacing, deleting what they've done, and then going in and correcting whatever it is. But this is a long way round it. And if your mistake was back here, you wouldn't want to be deleting everything that you've done. This is where the bubble, the magnifier as it's called, would be really handy. So anywhere you like on this text, you can touch and hold, and then your little circle comes up. If you can look carefully, you'll see there's a cursor, and as I move, I will be able to put the cursor wherever I like. I'm going to put it here just after the P, because when I let go, you get some options which we'll come to later, but in this case what I'm going to do is to delete that P and then replace it with a capital P, and then I can just tap this at the end of the word and carry on typing. If you weren't to use the magnifier and you were trying to get the cursor in the right place, it's kind of potluck. You might manage to get it in the right place. You might not. It's really not a reliable way of getting your cursor to where you need it. So touch and hold and you'll get your little magnifier. You might have noticed sometimes that when I let go of the stylus from the screen that I get some options. If I go for select, first of all, this allows you to select or highlight some text as you might do on a computer. For instance there, once I let go of that, it gives me the options to copy or paste. If you're familiar with copying and pasting or cutting and pasting, I'm going to go for copy at this moment. So that's remembering it now to what's called the clipboard, and then I'm going to put my cursor somewhere else on the document, although I could just as easily be now going and opening the text app or an email, anything else that can take text. If I touch and hold, the little magnifier comes back. I don't need the magnifier for this, but I'm going to let go and do paste. And that has there copied from the top line and pasted an exact copy there. And if I would like to get rid of that, yes, there is this backspace method. But perhaps I'd like to touch and hold, select, and here it's taken quite an area, so I'm just going to change the area that I'm dealing with there. Once it's all selected, I can get rid of it all in one go. I just missed a character there. I'm just going to create a lot of text here by doing a copy and coming down and doing a paste. Touch and hold, magnifier, paste. And to do a return to go to the next line, touch and hold, magnifier, paste. You can just keep pasting. Once you've copied or cut something, you can just keep pasting. It's like a rubber stamp you have. Paste, paste, paste. If I would like to take all of this text and move it somewhere else, for instance, touch and hold, you get your magnifier, let go. This time I'm going to choose select all because I want everything. Then that shortcuts the whole process of me trying to get these little dots in the right place. Here now we have the option to copy or cut. If I do cut, that takes everything away from the location it's in, and I could be going somewhere else now. Touch and hold, magnify comes, let go, and I can do paste. Depending what application you're in, when you touch and hold, you'll get different options. So in this case, I'm using the iPhone Notes app. When I let go, select all, paste. This gives me the option, like in a Word document, to bold, italicize or underline, indent right. If you're in an email, you would also get the options here to add photo, and if you touch that, it would then take you to your camera roll, so you can choose a photo to add into the email.